Good morning, children. Now I am going to take the subject EVS. First unit 1 or environment revision. Already I took 2 lessons for you. First one is or environment. Unit 1 or environment. Unit 2 my amazing body I took. For test these 2 lessons will come for you from page number 75 to 94. For test these 2 lessons only you have to prepare. All the book exercise you should learn. Now I am going to take revision for you from the first lesson or environment, page number 82. I'll have to take page number 82. See, already I took this one for you. Put tick in the suitable box, already I told you. And now I wrote that one as say yes or no. Okay, see, read. Revise this one. River water is salty. Is river water salty? No. Only sea water is salty. So, NO, no. See, RIVER, river, water, 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 IS is salty, 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 NO, no. This is yes or no. Heading is yes or no. You should say the answer yes or no. You should write in the dash. Catamarans is used for fishing. Yes. 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 A river starts from a sea. A river starts only from the mountain and it joins in the sea. So, NO, no will come. A river starts from a sea. A. River. RIVER. River starts. STARTS. Starts from FROM. From a. SEAT. NO. Answer is no. Fish live only in a river. FISH. Fish. LIVE. Live only. 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 In a river. 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 No. 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 Because fish live in all river bodies, that is pond, then sea, river. In that fish will live. So, only in river alone fish won't be there. In all the water bodies fish will live. So, NO, no. Turtles live in the sea. TURTLES. Turtles live. 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 IN. THE. SEA. SYES. Yes. Turtle means ஆமை. ஆமை வந்து கடல்ல வாழும். Yes. River water is used for farming. River. 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 Water. 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 IS is used. USED. Used for. FOR. For farming. 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 SYES. Yes. Children, listen once again carefully. I am reading as a sentence. River water is salty. No. Answer is no. 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 You should write in the dash no. Catamarans is used for fishing. Yes. In the dash you should write YES. Yes. A river starts from a sea. The answer you should write NO. No. Fish live only in a river. NO. No. Turtles live in the sea. In the dash there will be given dash. In the dash you should write the answer YES. Yes. River water is used for farming. Yes. 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 Next, take page number, book exercise only. Take page number 84. Already all these things I wrote on the board. Once again I am revising it for you for test. You will be having test in the next week. For that only I am revising. 2 lessons, book exercise and whatever I wrote on the board, no, in the class work. I told you to write in the class work, no, question answers and that all will come. See, now take page number 84. See, match is there. First I am revising you the book exercise. Match the followings. One by one I am coming. First one, desert. 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 Next one, plains. PLAIN. Plain. Then forest. F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. P-O-N-D, pond. For that they have given lion, L-I-O-N, lion, camel. Then fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Then cow, C-O-W, cow. See, match children. For desert, what will come? For desert, camel. Camel lives in desert. So, write here A. A is the answer you should write. Then, for plains, plain, cow. Cow will be seen in plain. So, answer B. Forest. Forest, lion will be seen in the forest. So, answer is C. Pond, we will see fish in the pond. So, D for this one answer. Understand children? First, here, desert, camel, okay, plain, cow, forest, lion, pond, fish. Then, true or false? See in the same page number 84 only, true or false? Right? True or false? In classwork also I have given some true or false. That one also you should read. Step forming, F-A-R-M-I-G. Step forming is done, D-O-N-E, done. Step forming is done in the hills, H-I-L-L-S. You should write whether it is true or false. Say, step forming is done in hills. It is true. T-R-U-E, true only. Step forming, hills means what? Ooty, Kodaikanal and all is called hills. There only we can see the step forming. Then the horse is called the sheep of the desert. The H-O-R-S-E, horse, I-S is called, C-A-L-L-E-D, is called the sheep of the desert. Sheep. Sheep of the desert, D-E-S-E-R-T, sheep of the desert. False. Only camel is called the sheep of the desert. So, you should write the answer here as false, F-A-L-S-E, false. Then, lion and tigers are found in the forest. Where we can see the lion and tigers? We will see this lion and tigers. These are wild animals. We can see these wild animals in forest only. We can see here on the road and all we can see lion in forest. No. So, lion and tiger. Lion and tiger are found in the forest. We can see here lion and tiger. We can see on the street side and all. No, we cannot see. We can see the lion and tiger only in the forest area. So, lion and tiger are found in the forest. For this you should write the answer. What you should write? True, T-R-U-E, true. Forest as forest. Forest as a forest has sand dunes, D-U-N-E-S. There we can see the sand dunes. Only in desert we can see the sand dunes. So, forest. So, the statement is false. F-A-L-S-C. In the forest we can see large number of trees and water, river and all we can see in the forest. Sand dunes is seen only in the desert area. So, false. Children, listen once again, listen carefully. Write true or false. Step forming is done in the hills. Say, what is the answer? Answer is true. The horse is called the sheep of the desert. Answer, in the dash you should write the answer false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Only camel is called the sheep of the horse. Camel தான் வரும். அப்போ அது ட்ரூவாக இருக்கும். இந்த ஹார்ஸ்ன்னு குத்துருக்கிறதுனால இது வந்து தப்பு. அப்போ false. The lion and tigers are found in the forest. True. T-R-U-E. True. Lion and tiger will be seen only in the forest. Wild animals. So, statement is correct. So, T-R-U-E. True. A forest has sand dunes. Only the desert will have the sand dunes. Here they have given forest. So, false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Shut up, children. Can you understand? This all you should read. Take the book and read one by one, whatever I am teaching. All these things I taught you before itself. Just for revise you, I am teaching once again. In the classwork you wrote, choose the correct answer. I wrote already before itself. See here, choose the correct answer. Forest is the home place for many animals and birds. Forest is the answer. The choice are forest and desert Miss gave. Okay. Camel are used for traveling in the desert. Yes. So, camel I have given the choice and horses. So, camel is the correct answer. Desert is the hot place of sands. Answer desert, hills I have given. In that the correct answer is desert. D-E-S-E-R-E-T. Desert. People visit the hill station in dash I have given. For the choice is summer and winter I gave. So, summer is the correct answer. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. Then, who am I? I live in water with boat-shaped body. People like to eat me. Say, who am I? Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Then, I am like a mountain but not so high. I am green and beautiful. Say, children, what is the answer? Hill. H-I-L-L. Hill. See here. Fish. Who am I? Fine. Who am I? I'll read out the question and write only the answer here. Okay. See here. I live in water with boat-shaped body. People like to eat me. Say, what the answer will come? Fish will come. Answer is fish. Fish spelling F-I-S-H. Fish. Then, I am like a mountain but not so high. I am green and beautiful. What is the answer for that? Hill. H-I-L-L. Hill. H-I-L-L. Hill. Then, I am a place where water collects. I am smaller than a lake. The answer is pond. P-O-N-D. Pond. Then, question and answer. How can we calculate the age of a tree? The age of a tree can be calculated by counting the number of annual rings in its tree trunk. The answer. If I give that question means you should write for that answer. How can we calculate the age of a tree? The age of a tree can be calculated by counting the number of annual rings in its trunk. What is called the sheep of the desert? Say, camel. Camel is called the sheep of the desert. I will write this question answer. See. I did not write this question now. You take a note of this. which is called the ship of the desert. D-E-S-E-R-T, desert, which is called the ship of the desert. What is the answer for that? Camel is called the ship of the desert. Camel, see, the question itself answer is the camel is called, C-A-L-L-E-D, called the ship, S-H-I-P, ship of the desert, D-E-S-E-R-T, desert. Camel is called the ship of the desert. Then name the wild animals found in the forest. Elephant, tiger, deer, lion and bears. Name the wild animals found in the forest. I gave elephant, tigers, deer, lion and bears. In nature, what are the different environment? In nature, what are the different environment? Forest, plain, hill, pond, river, seas and desert are the different environment in nature. Describe river. Say, describe river. Answer you say, children. River starts from a mountain and follows a path and finally flows into a sea. River starts from mountain, follows a path and finally flows into the sea. From where do farms get water? Farms get water from the rain, river, lakes, ponds and wells. How can we get our food? We get our food by growing crops. What is a hill? A hill is like a mountain but not so high. Where do cactus plant grow? Why? The cactus plant grow in desert since it needs very little water to live. This is the question answer, children. You should revise all these question answers, okay? That's all I wrote you before itself. Then name the following. Name the following means you should write in only one word. Name the thing that is used for fishing. Say, children, what thing is used for fishing? Net. You can write net. We are using net, catamarans, boat and all we are using for fishing. In that you can write net. One is enough. Name a thing that is used for fishing. Net. Answer is N-E-T, net. Name one water animal. Fish, F-I-S-H, fish you can write. Name the flower that found in the pond. You can write lotus, L-O-T-U-S, lotus is the answer. See here, net spelling. Name the followings. I will say the question. Okay, I will write only the answer here. Name the thing that is used for fishing. Say what thing we are used for fishing. Answer is net, N-E-T, net. Say the spelling. Spelling for net. Say, children, N-E-T, net. Then name a water animal. Say, children, fish. Fish spelling F-I-S-H, fish. N-E-T, net spelling what? N-E-T, net. Fish spelling F-I-S-H, fish. Then third question. Name the flower found in the pond. Say, children, what flower? Lotus. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. L-O. Say L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. Then name the animal used for farms. I am writing the answer here. What is the answer? B-U-L-L-O-C-K-S. Bullocks. Okay, children, see here. B-U-L-L-O-C-K-S. The animal used for farms. Children, listen. Name the following. I told you. Name the following Name the thing that is used for fishing. Answer is net. N-E-T, net. Say the children spelling. N-E-T, net. Then name the water animal. Fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Answer is F-I-S-H, fish. Then name the flower that found in the pond. Lotus, L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Name the animal that is used for farms. Bullocks, B-U-L-L-O-C-K-S, bullocks. Then which is called the ship of the desert? Camel is called the ship of the desert. All the things I wrote you before itself in the classwork. Revise all the question answers. Unit 1, I fully finished the revision. Say true or false is there, choose is there, then name the following, who am I, question answers, all the things you have to read, children. Then choose. See the question answers once again I am saying for you. How can we calculate the age of the tree? The age of the tree can be calculated by counting the number of annual rings in its tree trunk, which is called the ship of the desert. Camel is called the ship of the desert. In nature, what are the different environment? Forest, plains, hills, ponds, rivers, seas and desert are different environment in nature. Name the wild animals found in the forest. Elephant, tiger, deer, lion and bears. Describe a river. River starts from mountain and follows a path and finally flows into the river. From where do farms get water? Farms get water from the rain, river, lakes, ponds and wells. How can we get our food? We get our food by growing crops. What is a hill? A hill is like a mountain but not so high. Where does cactus plant grow? Why? Cactus plants grow in desert since it needs very little water to live. Read all these questions, children. Take your classwork. I already told you to write the notes in the classwork. Take that classwork and read all first lesson one by one. Okay. Question answers I gave. Who am I? Then choose, match. Then find, name the following. All the things will come for test. Okay, children. Thank you.